Hello beauties and welcome. This is Wangly with Two Chic Chicks here to bring you a video today. And today's video is going to be on the comparisons between two products. And what led to this was me having my hair up today and I'm like, I pulled it up. Well, this weekend I sported big hair this weekend, so it was all over my head this weekend. But I was looking at my hair, and the reason it's up, noticing that I have makeup in my hair again. So I was like, well, this would be a good time to throw this video out to you guys in regards to comparisons of two products. And I have been getting a lot of questions in regards to these two products. One, I've been asked, do I use it? And then another one is, I'm gonna try the other product. So the two products I'm speaking of today are Shimmering Lights, this is it, and Bantu Yellow Out Conditioner. These two are my two staples to use to keep my gray hair gray. To keep the silver just as bright, to keep all the pollution and the makeup and all that, to get it all out my hair, like after I relax my hair, because like I let you guys know, I am relaxed. And so with using these products, this one is what keeps the yellow. I definitely use this after my relaxer because it really turns my, the relaxer turns my silver hair to a yellow or maybe a green sometimes, just depends. Sometimes it go yellow, sometimes it go green. But whatever it is, it's discolored. So this is what I use, the Bantu Yellow Out Conditioner, to take out that yellow out my hair. Now, I'm gonna do a comparisons to the two. Now, one is a shampoo, which is Shimmering Lights. This is like a conditioner, but I don't use this as just a conditioner because I'll put it in to take the yellow out, and then I will put a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, and do a deep conditioner. So this is not what I use for a conditioner. This is strictly to take the dinginess or the discoloration out my hair. So I'm gonna start off with the Shimmering Lights. I'm gonna do some pros and I'm gonna do some cons on this, and then you'll know. See, I'm just doing a side-by-side comparisons with these. Okay. This is Shimmering Lights. Like I said, they have a shampoo and a conditioner. I only use the shampoo. I don't use the conditioner. And this bottle lasts, I had this bottle, oh my God. I got this one, I can see now the tag is from Sally's and it's old. And I got it for $7.99 out of Sally's. And I've had this a long while, because I do not use this too often. The reason why I don't use this often is because it has such a purple base to it. The coloring, this discolors my hair if I use it on a continuous basis. The most I will use it on my hair, since I am mostly white. I am pretty much, except for a little bit. And I'm gonna take this down just to show how much silver hair I have. But this will start to turn my hair to a lavender. Use it long enough, I will be purple. So I wash my hair weekly, and there's no way I can use this on a weekly basis. And when I do use it, I use it more or less just to, if I feel my hair needs that refreshing, be revived, like, it's not necessarily discolored, but I don't think my silver is as bright as it can be, is why I will use this. And when I use it, and when I say a dot, I mean just a dot. First I put my shampoo in my hand, then I will put a dot of this inside the shampoo and I'll mix it in my hand, rub it together, and then apply it to my hair. Because if not, and I'm gonna show you when I say what I mean by purple base, and I'm only putting a dot. That, guys, is purple. And I have nothing to wipe my hands off with, but that is purple. And if you continue to use this, like if you use it often enough, it'll turn your hair. You'll start having a purple haze on your hair. That's exactly what you'll end up with. I mean, if that's the color you're going for, no problem. That's not the color I'm going for, so I don't use it that often. And this is a shampoo too. This is not, the Bantu is a conditioner. This is a shampoo. Now this, how many ounces is this? It's 473 milliliters, which is 16 fluid ounces. And it's, it says it's for blonde and silver hair, which, you know, it's supposed to enhance. It says color enhancing shampoo brightens and refreshes blonde, highlighted, and silver hair, which it does do all that. And then it says it in a couple other languages. So yes, I don't know how often they recommend it. I know I don't recommend using this. If you're just trying to brighten up your silver hair or gray hair, I wouldn't dare use this more than once a month. I wash my hair weekly. I use it once a month, if I even use it once a month, because I feel my natural shampoos do a real great job on their own, taking care of keeping my hair bright and silvery. Right now, it looks like I'm looking kind of, well, I guess it is looking silvery. But so that's this. That is, I mean, it's good. I like it. The only downfall to this is the one con I have. I'm sorry, the con I have is it turns your hair purple, but it does work. It really do work. Only downfall, it turns your hair purple or give it a purple haze. If you like that, you'll love this. Now the Bantu Yellow Out Conditioner. I discovered this because of my hair is silver, and I was using a relaxer. I use a relaxer, and with me using a relaxer, what ends up happening is your hair get discolored from the relaxer, your silver and gray. Now this is 12 fluid ounces, and I got this at one of my local beauty supply stores, and I only paid $3.99 for it. I don't use it that often. These two products last a very long time. And this is by Soft Sheen Carlson. It says it's brighten gray hair and removes yellowing. It does exactly what it says. And it works great. Now, I do use it sometimes just to brighten my hair if I'm not, you know, in the mood to use the purple shampoo. It does that, but my main focus with this one is to take the gray, to take the discoloration out my hair from the relaxers. But I have used this also as a, as just freshening up my gray hair. Just trying to, you know, bring the brilliance back to my gray. So this works good. Now, which one do I prefer? There's no, wait a minute, let me give you the con on this. I don't have a con, because this has a white base. The one thing I love about this is it has the white base to it. It's kind of thick, which it should be like a conditioner. It's white. Love that the base of this is white. I love it. The second thing I love about it is that it's just easier for me to use. I'll only use it to like freshen up my gray if I need it to be freshened up, but the real reason I use it, like I said before, was to take out the discoloration from the relaxers. But you can use it, and I do want to make sure I understand, let you all know, you can use it just to freshen up your hair if you feel like your gray hair doesn't have its brilliance. What else I want to say about this? That's it. I love this. Now, I do use this one, but my favorite is this. This is, to me, a little bit more easier for me to use because it has the white base to it, is the real reason. And it does work after relaxer. This does not work after I've relaxed my hair. It does not. It does not take the yellow out from after you have applied a relaxer. That's something it doesn't do. This one does both. This one only brightens and make your hair clean out the gray hair once, you know, on a regular shampoo, not after a relaxer. So that's what I have to tell you guys today. But these are my two. I keep them, and they're my holy grail. Believe me, these are my holy grail. Now, when I washed my hair last week, I washed my hair. Let's see, maybe Tuesday. No, it had to be Thursday. I washed it on Thursday, and this is the state of my hair now. It doesn't, and I use the Bantu. See, you can see I have makeup in my hair. You can see it right here, and it's all across here where I have it, which, you know, that's likely to happen to have it there. But this is, I'm just taking it loose so people can see. This is all my gray hair, and I'm gonna turn around. This is the back of the other side. This is my left side. I just want to make sure I showed you about how much. And I do not use this on every wash either, to make sure I give you that understanding. I only use a refresheners as I need it, it's not in my every everyday shampoo, well, every shampoo regimen. It's not in my, you know, every time I shampoo, no, it's not. I don't need it every time. Like I said, using natural products really help with keeping my hair bright on its own. Like I said, this is a no-brainer here. You can get what you need from this if you relax, or if you don't relax and you just want to brighten your hair. You can use it on natural hair, you can use it on relaxed hair. Great. You can use this on natural hair or relaxed hair. Question is, do you want to be purple? But just don't use a lot of it. Even on the first wash, if you just use this by itself, it can give you a little gray. Yeah, I'm saying gray. It can really turn your gray a little slight purplish. Well, that's my video for today. I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by. Oh, and if it's your first time and you just happen onto my video, or if you're a newbie, you're just coming back and you haven't done that thing as subscribe yet, please do so. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will know when I upload a new video. And for all my old subbies, thank you so much for joining me too. I look forward to seeing you guys real soon in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to follow me over. I'm on Instagram. It's 2 Chic Chicks. I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.